Good morning, everyone. Let's do yesterday. Yesterday was an okay day, but it was really cold yesterday. I thought we were done with this cold. It was in the 50s, but it was still nice. I went out and fed the fish. We took Bryce to school yesterday morning. I was off. There's my so y'all were waiting for him, weren't you? Waiting for the sniff, too. After I took him to school, I watched a little YouTube, learned how to grow my channel, and then I went outside and worked in my fairy garden. Still putting it together. I'm hoping to video everything I do so y'all can see what I do every year to get this yard set up. My husband does the hard work. He does all the digging and sucking up all the pine needles and the acorns and the leaves. And so he has the really hard work. And I'm so grateful for it. But look how good it looks already. And spring has just now started. Then Bryce, I had to pick Bryce up from school, and we made some cookies for an Easter cookie order I had. They turned out okay. They weren't my best looking, but I did pretty good. Kind of messed up in the middle. I had to go to the store and get some things because I forgot, because I put it off too long, and I ended up in a rush. And of course, when you're in a rush, you mess things up. But here they are. They're okay, I guess, but they tasted good. I got to deliver those today. Today I work from 1 to 5. So now I'm just doing a day and a half a week. I work Saturday and half a day Thursdays. So it's not bad. I don't really like every Saturday, but she's willing to trade with me anytime I want so I can have a Saturday off. Today, no big plans. I'm just working half a day, like I said, and I think I'm going to take it easy today. I watched a little Grays yesterday. I did. I've really got to stop watching that because it becomes obsessive and it takes over your mind. And then you dream about it at night. It's really, I don't like it. Anyway, you guys have a great day, and we will see you. Bye.